In today's video, we're looking at mail merge. And what we'll be doing, we'll be editing the 13 mail merge letters that we did some time ago. So how will we be editing the letters? We'll be editing the letters by adding one sentence to each of the 13 letters. Then I'm also going to show you how you could further customize two of these letters by themselves, right? Then the 13 letters that we did in step 1, we're going to show you how to prepare them to be submitted. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open the document. So I saved it as final mail merge. Now this dialog box will come up and it is saying data from your database will be placed in the document. Do you want to continue? I'm going to click yes so that Microsoft program can access the database. All right, we're going to close this dialog box. All right, so here we have the letter, but this is just one of the letters, right? So what I have to do, I have to click this option that says mailings, right? Then once I'm in the preview, right, then I can make my corrections here so that it is reflected in all of the letters that we did in the mail merge. So we're going to make the document a little bit bigger so that I can see. All right, so I'm going to add a line below the last paragraph. So I'm going to place my cursor where I want it. I'm going to click and I'm going to type the wedding will be recorded all right, so that's what I want to add to our letter. Press enter to give it some space. We are going to check if this correction was done to the other 12 letters of the 13 letters that we did in the mail merge some time ago. I'm going to go to the front, the first record. So I'm going to click this icon and see it is on the first one. We're going to click this arrow to see if it is on the second. Yes, there it is on the second. I'm going to click again. Yes, it's on the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and the seventh, which was the one that we did the correction to, the eighth record, the ninth record, and the 10th record, the 11th record, 12, 13. So we have 13 letters and it is on the 13 letters. All right. Now, what I want to do next is to make a correction to 1, right? So what we could do, we have to come out here now and click this down arrow under the finish and merge. I'm going to click this down arrow. I'm going to click edit individual documents, right? So I'm going to click this. And I want, if you know the record, then you can, if it's a current record, then you can click it. Or if we're going to do 2 letters, right? So we're going to do 2 to 3. I'm going to click OK. And here now we'll see the second letter and the third letter. So we're going to add here now. It will be recorded on live television. All right. So we'd have to come down here now to the second letter that I want to make the adjustment to. I'm going to click here and say it will be recorded on live television. All right. So and then now we could go and now print the documents, right? So these two letters that we did In addition to saying that the wedding will be recorded, it stated that it will be on live television. Okay. Now, what we would do, we will go to File, Save, and we'd save our letter, right? And there it is. The computer put the name of the person there for us. All right. Now, the next thing I want to show you, I want to show you how I would prepare the final submission of my mail merge document. So we'll be preparing for submission the 13 letters that has the sentence, the wedding will be recorded, right? And not the 2 letters that says the letter will be recorded on live television, okay? Right, so what I would do, I will click mail insert. No, I'd have to go to the, I'm in this document with the 2 letters. I'd have to come back here and open the mail merge with the 13 letters. Then I'm gonna click preview results, right? Now I want to show you on the 30. Remember the second record. I'm going to go to the second and third record and show you something. So I'm going to go to the first record. Remember the second one, we added it will be recorded on television. So it's not on this one. I'm going to go to the third one and show it's not on this one, right? To show you what had happened, right? So I'm going to come here now. I'm going to click this drop down arrow under the finish and merge, and I'm going to click edit individual documents. Then I'm going to click all. I'm going to click OK. And what this does is allows you to edit each of the 13 letters that we have, right? So these are the letters. They're okay, right? So we can scroll through to see if they're okay. We have there's a Mary Jones, Al Johnson, and Sam Bicknell, and so forth, right? So what we're gonna do now, gonna go back to the top, go up. Then now what I can do, I can go File, Save As, put it in the folder where I want, and I'll call this Mail Merge. Enter. All right. So we can close this now. So this is our completed mail merge document. So here we have the completed edited mail merge document, and we made the correction to the 7th record. And here now we're looking through, and we can see that here we have the sentence that we added on the 7th record. The sentence is the wedding will be recorded, and this is the first record. So we can scroll through. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13 letter. So on the 13th letter, which is the last letter, and all the other letters, we can see that the correction that we did to the 7th letter in the preview, in the mail merge, it was applied to the entire document, which is the 13 letters, right? So this is what we would say for the 13 letters. I'm going to show you how to do another correction to our mail merge document that we did some time ago. So here we have the sentence, the last sentence in the paragraph and we want to add a S to the word guest so that it reads guests. All right. So what we're going to do, we have opened our mail merge document. We're going to click mailings. Then we're going to click preview. I'm going to make sure that we're in the preview. And here now we're going to type the S. And when we go to the next record, we can see that it is applied. Okay. So this is how you would make another correction in the mail merge document that we did previously. In summary, in today's video, we showed you how to make a correction to 13 letters that we prepared using the Microsoft Word. We also showed you how to do a modification to 2 additional letters that were also done in the previous mail merge document. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to add hyperlinks to a web page. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.